Pasta without sauce, you might be thinking. No, this is the classic Roman pasta dish. Will you like it? Will my friends even like it? Find out. It is delicious. You're watching Channel Juan, and this is the World Cuisine series presented in Taglish. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Rovilo at his garden. Welcome to my garden and to my dampa, and today we're cooking a very basic pasta recipe. Just 3 ingredients: spaghetti or spaghettone. Spaghettone is just a bigger spaghetti. Cheese and pepper. 3 ingredients. Of course, salt. I did not list it because all recipes call for salt, so that's given. Cacio e pepe. The very basic of all pasta recipes. It's the foundation of all pasta recipes. Cacio e pepe. 3 ingredients. Minimum ingredients, but maximum flavor. Join me and explore this easy and economical recipe. Cacio e pepe. Let's check if our water is already boiling inside. Let's add salt to the boiling water, or to the water which is about to boil. It's not yet boiling. Cacio e pepe are just 2 words from various Italian dialects, which mean cacio for queso and pepe for pepper. Cacio e pepe. It's cheese and pepper. Water is boiling now. We'll add the spaghetti. As always, you can use any pasta. Spaghetti, fettuccine, or even homemade making. To duplicate the original experience, you have to use Parmesan cheese or Pecorino. Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. But I think Parmesan is easier to acquire. It's available in most grocery stores, or supermarkets, I should say. Notice I also added pepper, not just salt, to the water. This is to flavor the pasta as it boils. You must be wondering, just cheese and pepper, how about the sauce? Saan natin kukunin ang sauce? Well, the starch of the spaghetti produces a thick sauce, so we'll use a portion of the water which already contains starch to thicken the sauce. Just pasta water will serve as a basis for the sauce, but it's just the pepper and the cheese that give the flavor. Special greetings to our friends in Milano, AB food trip and adventures or activities of Mansario. Salute a nostri amici in Milano. Some pastology, or pastology. Some pastology. If you add ham to this, it becomes pasta alla Gricia. If you add further egg, it becomes carbonara, pasta alla carbonara. Yeah, it's good. We'll bring it outside. We usually put the cheese on top of the pasta, but this time on the plate first before adding the pasta. We'll add some more later on the pasta. We need some of the water because we will use it to form the sauce.
toestel mee. Mijn toestel meenemen.
Let's mix it well. Let us incorporate the cheese to the sauce. It's the only flavor we have. In addition to the salt and pepper, of course. Let's add more sauce. It's pasta water to serve as a sauce. How simple it is. If you have to translate this into our local produce, what can it be? In my region, this will be rice and bagoong. And next in my upload, watch out for it because I'll be preparing a mush-bush from rice and ginamos. No. This has become my regular lunch because it's easy to prepare, not just inexpensive, but it's really mature in taste. It's really simple and delicious. Goodbye na sa sweet na spaghetti. No more hot dogs, meat sauce, and milk on the sauce. This is more mature, basic, and mature. Try it. Let's see how my neighbors, my Man and Grace and Alex will react to this. And that's my plate, almost finished. That's my Man and Grace. She combined it with rice and salad. And Alex, he added ketchup and ham. Back to my plate. Thank you for joining me today as we explore simple and adaptable recipes from other countries, from Italy. Cacio e Pepe. You can make it. It's simple and it's satisfying. It's a very basic of all pasta recipes, but wag ismulin, masarap siya. It's a mature taste. Try it! I'd like to leave you now with the views of the other gardens here at the allotment complex, and don't forget to come back for more of our cooking here at the garden, at our little kitchen, or elsewhere. Garden uploads every Wednesday. Diyos siya ina and Diyos tegbate. Your uncle and kuya here, Romilo. Enjoy the views of the other gardens here at the allotment complex.